Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about the integrating Selenium with Cucumber. So automate the smarter with the BDD. So consider a scenario you want to automate the web application testing while keeping the test readable for both the tech and business teams. So you can define it like Selenium WebDriver is integrated with Cucumber by writing the automation code inside the step definitions. By using the page object model POM to make your test clean, maintainable and reusable. So in real time example, so step definition at the rate given user navigates to login page. So public void navigate to login method and login page login equals to new login page driver and login dot open login page. So at the rate when user enters the valid credentials and the public void enter credentials login page login equals to new login page driver and login dot enter username. So login dot enter password and login dot click login. POM separates the UI locators and methods and step definitions remain readable. So analogy, like think of step definitions as the script and the POM as the toolkit. Together they automate the play web app smoothly. So tricky question. So can we mix the Selenium code directly into the feature files? No, feature files are the plain English only. All automation code must be in step definitions or page objects. So tip always combine the Cucumber plus Selenium plus POM ensure the scalable and maintainable BDD automation.